Hello guys, it's me again, and I'm heading to somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. Look, with Samia to say hi. Hi guys. Look, so good. Let's go. And actually, it's so cold, right?
Yes, so
Maybe it's under zero.
little snowy.
No, not snow. It's rainy.
No, little. Look.
This is snow.
Yes, little.
Really?
Yes. Now we are near to جامع يفوز سليم جامع.
نعم.
نعم أختي. A beautiful place here. To go together إن شاء الله.
Inshallah.
And
Okay.
we will show you this place. هايدي بسم الله.
Thank you so much.
This is very old يعني مكان بير مكان. Very risky.
Look.
Yes.
Hello, bird. Bird. Kush.
Old
Water?
man. Othman.
Oh, Osmania.
Yes, they put this water inside this.
Yeah. We call it sumur. What? Shh, what?
The second party of Istanbul. Asian, European, Asian.
Oh, Asian side.
Asian inside this. You can show this.
Okay. But actually, this place is similar to Fatih Jami.
Fatih Jami.
Like that. Similar.
Oh, similar. But
It's so
the
cold.
view here, it's very nice. So cold.
I feel like I'm an Eskimo. I'm freezing right now, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I'm dying. I'm flying. I will show you the beautiful. Oh my god. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
You can see this Süleymaniye Jami.
Germany, evet.
You can go there and we see.
Okay. Look that view. It's so beautiful, right? Do you see, guys? It's ASEAN side. I have gloves, but it's still cold. Where will we go?
Yeah.
English, please. Not
I'm cold. I'm freezing.
Do you have a pen? No?
Yes. I can't speak.
You can speak because of freezing.
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, this is the explanation. There is a Turkish right here and English right here, and also Arab right here. It's a beautiful place, right? Let me show you something else from here. Just like here. Actually, it's good, but it's cloudy now. We can see clearly because of cloud. Are you okay? Look, that's a Bosphorus bridge. It's really snow.
Yes, I like this weather. I feel good.
salju tapi it's snowing, but it's like a
Yes.
kucuk kucuk kucuk.
Küçük küçük. Let's go to this
Like-
place.
Sigara içiyoruz. Let's go.
Go.
To another place. Tell me you are in Istanbul. Without telling me you are in Istanbul. Look.
God.
God. We have to walking up. It's hard.
Yes, so
Come.
hard. Yes. Buyurun.
Buyur. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yaşlı bir kadın bu.
Yaşlı bir kadın.
We are here. Maybe it's in Balat. I will show you something. Guys, because the weather is so bad, it's so terrible outside. We are go back to Samia's home and look, this is her cactus and it's dying
Yes, I'm so sad.
because of Samia's fault. It's
No.
cactus and
No, I don't. I don't know.
She's watering it every day. Cactus is hate water.
No, I don't know. يعني والله I don't know.
It's
Please.
cactus. You don't know that cactus is doesn't
I
want
don't
water.
know because when I buy it, there is flower here. I think I should put little more water. No. Please,
You
والله,
kill it.
I'm so sad. If someone know
You
how
kill it.
how can I?
You will go to the hell.
Please don't say this. Wallah, I'm so
You
sad.
kill it. It's your
If someone
fault.
know, guys, please. If someone know, how can I do for my plants? It will, يعني, it will die. يعني, I don't know.
You will
how.
die because of your fault.
I will cry now. Wallah, really, I'm so sad.
Don't dying. It's dying.
Mommy, please.
It's
Wallah,
dying.
wallah, I don't know what I should be.
You have to talk to her. To her?
Like.
It's a female. To this. To her. To him.
To it.
To it. Is it female?
I don't know.
Oh,
So
it's your fault.
no, don't say this.
You will go to the hell. When the weather is better, we will go again to the beautiful place. But right now, we have to warm our body.